Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to share an account in X. Sharing interesting and engaging accounts with your friends and followers is a great way to spread the X experience. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of sharing an account in X. Let's get started. Step 1. Open X on your device. Once the app is open, you'll be taken to the main screen. Step 2. Next, find the account you want to share. This can be done by searching for the username or scrolling through your feed. Once you've located the account, tap on it to access their profile. Step 3. On the account's profile, look for the three dots menu, typically positioned in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on the three dots menu to reveal additional options. Step 4. Among the options that appear, find and tap on Share. This action will present you with various sharing options. Step 5. Select the method through which you want to share the account. You can choose to share it via direct message, email, social media platforms, or any other available sharing options in X. And there you have it. You have successfully shared an account in X, allowing others to discover and enjoy the content from that account. Thank you for watching. And let's continue spreading the joy of discovery by sharing amazing accounts in X.